We're gonna have a lot of fun today. We're off to a Chinese theme park, and I've took all the advice on board. It's not a weekend, it's not a Chinese public holiday, so chances are it's not even going to be that busy. Let's have a look then. So it's about 60 kilometres away from centre of Dalian. I'm getting a taxi. It costs about 15 quid. And it takes an hour, but if you click your fingers, you get there straight away. Oh, we're not there yet. Nah, try again. I do like tunnels though. Well, this don't look like a theme park either. A massive pirate ship in the middle of the road? Yeah, I think that means we're here. Right, I've just downloaded the app. It's got a little map for me. Oh, that's going to be fun. She's just writing down the name of the roller coasters. 20 quid. And we're in! Oh, you've got to love China. Come to Chinese Alton Towers and they're still celebrating 100 years of Boris Johnson. Right. First stop. The fake Disney area. Corona Castle. Is she waving at me? Are you waving at me? 你是说我对吧？可以玩对吧？ Right, lovely. First ride. Oh yes, I'm already having time of my life in this theme park. Look at this. Chinese guys thrown up off of swinging chairs. What are you getting done?
I'm getting a little butterfly.
Oh, perfect. She's gorgeous, isn't she? Where are you from?
Manchester.
Oh, no way, I'm from Leeds.
Leeds, oh, lovely.
Yeah.
What are you up to here?
Just like prattling about, basically.
You're right.
Yeah, you've got, alright. Have you got something wrong with your skin or something?
Yeah, psoriasis.
Oh, right.
Some it's good for it, or I'd hide it with my hair, but it's supposed to be good for it.
I'm just sweating like a bitch all the time.
If you go left here, there's a thing called Arctic World. There's like a whole thing made out of ice, and there's like ice slides and
oh, nice.
cools you right down.
I'm absolutely sweating my arse off, and she's telling me that you've got to come in here and put a bloody coat on. And you've got to pay, how much? It's such a joke, do bar. You've got to pay a £5 to go into Arctic Zone. I don't even want to wear a coat. Oh my god. That's alright, scam is that? I'm sweating so much, I can't put a coat on. Better be cold in here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. If I don't come out of here complaining that I'm freezing to death, then yeah. Oh yeah, wow, we've arrived! Oh, there's a ball pit. Who the hell's gonna go in there? Let's have a look. Oh, he's here too. I don't know where my mask's gone. I've got too many things. What's this? Like a skating rink? Is this what this shit's about? I've just paid a £5 to come and stand in here. You're joking? Oh, there's an igloo. This is well not worth a £5. Woo! I'm not doing that. Oh, that's worth a £5. Yeah. Oh yeah, get me up there. I'm gonna get a wet bum, I think, from this thing. Right, we're off. Okay, oh yeah, hold on tight.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Woo! Oh, my helmet's falling off. Shit! Oh shit! Oh. I lost my helmet. Do it again? Oh, once is enough. Having a remix. Oh, there's a little area here. This looks quite interesting. Oh, this is where we've just come from. It's the same thing, but now you can go on with ice picks and slide around. That's dangerous, is that? Well, you were right actually. When you come out of the freezer zone, it feels relatively weird. Oh, and clouds are coming out now as well. That's perfect. Right, well, more exploring to do. Oh, it's mask. I ain't got my bloody mask on. I knew I'd... Where is it? Smells like a fish and chip shop. I've just bought the water, and it's, yeah, a Sabon. It's a classic in China. But these guys are on it. Branded water. Lovely. Oh, it's so much better when sun goes in. Right, oh, I'm having a really good time now. Couldn't be going any better. Right, let's go find somewhere else to play on. Hi, it's me, I'm in queue. I've just had a look at this picture of what this ride is. Look at that. That looks well naughty. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! That were well fun. Oh yeah, that were too much like good fun for me. 好玩吗？你觉得好不好玩？好玩。你不害怕对吧？ Let's have a look. There I am. Oh yep, lovely. Perfect. And then you can come off and buy a basketball player. What the hell is the league here? That's a very strange way to come off a roller coaster. Right, get your mask on. Back to it. Well, I'm having loads of fun. I'm having to split this up into 2 videos, I think. I don't know how many rides I went on. I can't remember now. But yeah, people were... there's another couple of roller coasters. Yeah, I liked how that you spin me right round. I didn't realise, but actually, yeah, it went with roller coaster ride, didn't it? Goodbye.